Okay, first what you're going to want to do is take some pink acrylic paint on the inside of the ears and paint on the nose, allowing each layer to dry, at least 2 or 3, before painting on the next layer, like so. If you want each layer to dry quickly, you can use a fan or use a hairdryer. Now use some brown acrylic paint and an angle brush to paint on the eyebrows, like so. Now, take a pencil and lightly draw over the area of the ear that looks like it's been worn down and broken off. Lightly. Then, cut it out using an X Acto knife on a safe surface, like so. Now, using a pink or skin tone pastel or chalk, scribble it on paper or cardboard. Then use a sponge, then your finger, to put as much of the color on the cheeks of the mask as you can, like so. Now, using the black chalk or pastel, do the same thing, but heavily around the eyes of the mask. Then, put it all over your fingers, rubbing it all over the ears and the rest of the mask, like so. Now, take some red puff paint and try your best to mimic as many of the blood splats and streaks as you can, or go ahead and do your own thing, like so. Now spray a few layers of spray adhesive over the entire mask, allowing each layer to dry. This will protect the designs that you've just made. Now, use hot, super, or craft glue to glue the lace all around the top part of the mask, leaving the bottom exposed, like so.